Solve the triangle having side A equals to 15 units. Angle B measures 68 degrees and angle C measures 43 degrees. Okay, let us begin. Let's quickly try to understand the problem graphically. So here we have the triangle with vertices A, B and C. The sides opposite to angle A, which is BC, is going to be denoted by the letter A in lowercase. Then we have the side opposite to angle B, which is AC, we're going to denote it by the letter B in lowercase. And then the third side is going to be denoted by the letter C in lowercase. So here A is given as 15 units. That means the length of BC is 15 units. Then we also have the angle measure of B and C. B is given as 68 degrees, angle measure of C, so that's 43 degrees. Our goal will be to solve the triangle. That means we have to find out the angle measure of A, and also we need to find out the length of the sides B and C. Okay, let us begin. So in the first step, what we'll do, we're going to compute the angle measure of A. Now we know that in triangle ABC, the sum of the three angles of a triangle always adds up to 180 degrees. So we have A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees, which means that to find out the angle measure A, all we have to do is subtract from 180 degree the sum of the angles B and C. So this is going to give us a value equals to 69 degrees. So we have obtained the angle measure of A, so that came out as 69 degrees. Okay, now the next task will be to find out the value of the side B and C. For this, we are going to take the help of the law of sines. The law of sines states that the ratio of the side A to that of the sine of the angle opposite to it, so that will be angle A in our case, that's going to be equals to the ratio of the side B to that of the sine of the angle B, equals to the ratio of the third side C to that of sine of the angle opposite to that side. So here in our case, we are already being provided with the measure of the side A. So what we'll do, we're going to keep the first ratio fixed. So that is going to give us two equations. So we are going to get the two equations. We have B over sine of angle B. So that is going to be equated with A over sine of angle A. And then we have the other equation, C over sine of angle C. We're going to equate it to A over sine of angle A here. That's because B is simply going to be given by A times sine of angle B over sine of angle A. Now clearly we have the measure of the side A, that's 15 units. B is known, 68 degrees. A we have found out as 69 degrees. We can plug all of this value back into a calculator, and that should give us the value of B as approximately 14.9 units. Similarly, we can obtain the value of C. So C is going to be equals to A times sine of angle C whole divided by sine of the angle A. We have the angle measure of A and C. We have the side A. So C comes out to be approximately 10.96. So here we have successfully obtained the length of the side B. So B came out as 14.9 units, and the length of side C, that came out as 10.96.